Hello lovies, welcome and welcome again. Grace and peace everyone. My name is Nicole Masao, aka Miss Masao. Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment and share, and do not forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free. Today we are going to be making our delicious scrumptious peanut butter at home. So if you're new to this channel, I do have a video like this, but today we are using a food processor, so be sure to watch the video from the beginning to the end. This recipe, you're only going to be needing 3 ingredients, and all the ingredients I'll list them in the description box below. Be sure to check it out before you start making your peanut butter. So let's get to it. So the first thing that you're going to do is take a large wok or a frying pan and add in your peanuts, and then you're going to be roasting them. Now your heat should be medium to high, it should not be low, because you want to do this quick and easy and chap you want to get out of the kitchen. But if you have an oven, that's the best way to roast them, an oven or an air fryer. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to use my stove, and you're going to be flipping them around so that they don't burn on one side. You will do this until they start turning a bit black, and then they will be done. After they're done roasting, you're going to be putting them in a large plate or whatever flat surface you have, and let them cool down. Then you're going to start peeling. Now you can peel one at a time, but that will take so long. So the best thing that you can do is use your kitchen towel. You place a kitchen towel and scoop some of the peanuts, and then you'll start squishing the kitchen towel while it's kind of closed, as I'm doing here. After that, now you're going to remove the peanuts that are peeled and put them on a clean bowl, and you'll repeat the process until you're done with all the peanuts that you have. Then you go ahead and add your peanuts to your food processor and start grinding them. But for me, I want to make a smooth but with chunky bits of peanut butter, so that's why I left some behind. And this process may take 10 minutes depending on how powerful your food processor is. And also, on a side note, this same stage can be done with a blender, but it's gonna take longer. So do not be discouraged if you don't have a food processor. You can go ahead and use your blender. Once it starts to become a little bit hard to grind, you'll go ahead and add in your cooking oil. Preferably do use olive oil or just normal cooking oil. Do not use oil that has so much fragrance, unless otherwise you want your peanut butter to have that fragrance. And then as you add in your oil, just add 1 tablespoon at a time. For me, I added 2 tablespoons of oil, and it was enough. As you can see, the more it blends, the more the peanuts release their own oils, and it becomes soft and just yummy. So I kept on grinding until it was super soft. As you can see, after let's say 8 minutes, I went ahead and added the remaining peanuts, because I want my peanut butter to have some chunks of peanuts in it. And then I will grind it for like 2 more minutes, and that's it. I also added some salt, so if you want your peanut butter to be salty, you can do that too. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. All the ingredients, I'll list them in the description box below. Be sure to check it out so that you may know what you need before you make your delicious scrumptious peanut butter. After your peanut butter is at the right consistency, then you will take your tin, whatever container you prefer to use for storing your container, preferably airtight container. You're then going to pour in all that goodness. As you can see, it's very smooth but very chunky. Like it's perfect for peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Yo, as I'm recording these voice notes, I'm just wishing for a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You'll then pour all the yumminess in your container and then store it in your fridge and use it for as long as you want, or store it in just a normal temperature place in your cupboard, wherever, and use it for as long as you want. It will never get spoiled as long as you're using a clean knife, or clean spoon to scoop your peanut butter. And that's it. Lovies, please do not forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free, and thank you so much for the support that you keep on showing me. See you next time, my darlings. Bye bye.